What would you say if I told you you could make $50 per hour from just watching YouTube videos? You probably wouldn't believe me, right? Well, actually, it's a real thing. You can make up to $50 per hour from just watching videos on YouTube. And in today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step instructions of how you can do this and how you can start making $50 per hour just from watching YouTube videos. So make sure you watch to the end of this video to find out exactly how, and do not miss any information because I'm going to break everything down in this video and show you step by step of how to do this. Let's get straight into the video. Okay, so what's up everybody and welcome to the video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make $50 per hour from just watching YouTube videos. So you're going to want to go onto YouTube. We're going to jump straight into this. We're going to no bush beating around the bush. We're going to get straight into this. As you guys know on my channel, I show you multiple ways of how you can make money online and make money on YouTube, and today's video is no exception of that. And I'm really going to show you how you can make up to $50 or more an hour from just simply watching YouTube videos. So the first thing you want to do is go onto YouTube and type in, viral videos. So such as slime or ASMR, anything to do with like kind of virality things. Okay, so what's big right now is slime, for example. So I've mentioned this before, but slime right now is really big. It's the same thing with ASMR videos. So like crushing things and people eating things and just basically stuff what is really kind of viral right now. So these two are the ones I'm going to be using in this video example, purely because these ones get the most views for this example I'm showing you today. So if we go ahead and filter this to this month, and then I'm going to go ahead and filter it to most viewed for this month. So in the last 30 days, the most viewed, we're going to see which ones have got the most views. So as you can see here, some of these have got up to 7 million views, and some of these have got 1 million, 2 million, whatever, and stuff like that. Okay, so here's what you want to do, guys. Okay, now because these videos are obviously other people's work, you can't just take these videos and re-upload them to your channel, and I would never advise anybody to ever do that because you will get copyright issues. However, you guys know that Creative Commons is a real thing. So if we go over to Creative Commons right here and type in ASMR or any type of slime video you want, you will then get a full list of videos which you are legally allowed to reuse. Now the thing is with these Creative Commons videos, which a lot of people ask, is how do you know who the original owner is? How do you guys know who actually owns these videos and who doesn't? Well, a good way to judge this is if you go onto like a video which says it's Creative Commons, for example this one right here, you can kind of judge it by how the channel is performing. So if the channel has 1 subscriber, then chances are they don't own that actual video. But if they have 1 million subscribers and there's nothing in the description saying that they don't actually own it, you can, like for example this one here, it says the content published in this is licensed by Warner Digital Media, so they don't actually own that. Even though they put it on Creative Commons, they don't own it. So you want to go into videos what show that they say that they own it, or that they say that this is their creation and that people are allowed to reuse it for Creative Commons. Once you find those videos, those are the ones you're legally allowed to reuse. So for example, you can see here that again this is not their own video because they're saying this is not even theirs and stuff like that. So you need to go through these videos and search for all of them and see which ones actually own them. So for example, these ones here, like this is a personal channel, so this girl actually makes these videos, for example. So these are obviously her videos because it's her name and you can see that it's her videos, right? So this means you're allowed to reuse these videos. Now, what can you do to actually make money? And that's what I'm going to explain now. Because this topic is so viral. So for example, if we go back up to the top here and just type in ASMR, get rid of Creative Commons, and just filter it to this month most viewed, you're going to see these videos get millions upon millions upon millions of views. Now the reason why these videos get so many views is because it's a viral trend right now. Now whenever there's a viral trend, there's always ways to make money from it, and in this example today you can make money from literally just watching these videos. Now we filtered it now to this year. I'm going to wait for the thumbnail to load because my internet's being a bit slow. Okay, now it's loaded. You can see some of these videos. Some of them have got 100 million views. Some of them got 30 million views. And the list goes on. So 20 million views, 20 million views, 20 million views, 20 million views. These videos get so many views right now, which is a good thing because that means you can jeopardize this and really get on the trend. Now, like I said, you obviously need to use Creative Commons videos. However, how can you make money by watching them? So there's an actual real thing on YouTube, if you're not aware, that people actually just simply record themselves reacting to other videos. So if we type in reaction and then simply change it, well, first of all, there's a channel right here called Reaction Time. This is one of the channel examples that I was going to show you, and this channel is purely based upon reacting to other people's videos, so that he quite literally videos himself reacting, watching other people's videos on YouTube, and makes thousands from it, guys. Okay, as you can see, this whole channel is revolved around reacting to other people's content. And you know, when it comes to copyright and stuff like this, obviously you want to try and avoid it as much as possible. But if you're using Creative Commons videos, then it obviously becomes a lot easier to get less copyright. But what you can do is obviously ask for permission as well. A lot of creators will say yes, purely because they want more exposure. So the bigger you grow, the more people will say yes to you, the more permissions you get, the more videos you can make. But as you can see, this channel right here is literally getting 500,000 views a video up to 1 million. So this channel is literally in its lifetime gotten 4 billion views, which is around $5 million since 2015. So that's an example right there. But there's more than just that. There's more channels than just one. There's thousands of these channels just simply reacting to other people's videos and making money from it. So if we go on to this one here, this channel is all to do with reactions. As you can see, he does reactions to like 4 videos per day. 4 videos a day, guys. You look at this. See, he's just reacting to these videos. And if you look at his total views as well, he's simply getting he's got 135 million views since 2016. That's around $300,000, guys, just from reacting to people's videos. Now, obviously, you want to do this in the most safest way possible, and you want to do it in the most least copyright way possible. Again, another channel here, for example. So the way you would do that is use Creative Commons. Now, you will need for this, you will need a webcam, and you will need a microphone, and you will simply need to react to these videos. Your reactions do not need to be amazing. They can just simply be a reaction, and that is classed as fair use. As you can see here, another channel here quite literally reacts to everything he can get his hands on. And if you go to about, he's got 61 million views, around $100,000 since 2015. There's a lot of channels who do this. If we go to the bigger examples, these now are the big guys who are doing this, who are making the most. So for example, if we go to this channel right here, this channel is getting over 100 million views per month, which is over $300,000 per month from doing this stuff. And he's got 1.7 billion views, guys. This channel is making $100,000 per month minimum. Now we go to another channel example, SSS Sniper Wolf. She is another channel who sometimes does her own videos, but most of the time she does react to other people's videos, and she's built her channel upon doing that. And as you can see, she just simply reacts, and she names it in any way she likes. And then obviously once you grow your brand, you can react to other things as well, or even make your own videos. But this channel has gotten 16 million subscribers, and if you go to the about page, you'll see that this channel has gotten over 4 billion views, which is around $5 million again since 2013. So reacting to videos and watching videos is a real thing. As you can see, if you just type in the word reaction and just go down and look at these videos, you're going to see this channel's literally just purely focused on reacting to other people's videos, and that is what's making him a full-time income. And there's some channels literally doing like 5, 6, 7 times a day, like this one here, for example. This one is just making videos constantly of reacting. 1 million subscribers, 500 million views, around $1 million, guys. Again, another channel. If we keep going down and show you more and more examples, let's go down to this one here. Some of them are even in Spanish, but there's a whole channel called FBE, which is Frying Brothers, which is basically a channel which is revolved around reacting. This is one of the originals. This just shows that the reaction trend is still a huge thing, and this channel is just all about people reacting to other people's content. Now obviously this is a big company and they've done it for a while, so they obviously have licenses, but the point of it is the same, that you genuinely can get paid thousands of dollars for just watching people's videos. Now, how can you make $50 an hour? Well, this is how you can make $50 an hour, guys. Okay, so if we go to Google and type in calculator, okay, $50 an hour times 24 hours a day is simply $1,200 per day. If we go to these channels' earnings and see how much they are making, for example, we'll go to Infinite Lists, the one I showed you earlier, the one who's got 4 billion views. You'll see how much this guy is making, and you can kind of compare it to $50 an hour. He's making way more than that, but this is just an example. So this channel is getting 2 million views a day on average. That's around $3,000. Well, you only need 1,200 to make $50 an hour. So he's actually making more like 3,000 a day divided by 24 divided by, yeah, so he's making $125 an hour. So that's more than $50 an hour. If we go to like a smaller example, maybe, well, this is actually a bigger example. So SS Sniper Wolf. If we go to her channel, somebody who literally reacts to videos again, you'll see that she's getting loads of views. She's getting 3.4 million views a day, which is more like $5,000 per day, guys. And if you calculate that, 5,000 divided by 24 hours, she's making more like $208 an hour. So making $50 an hour is not that hard when you think of it, because you can react to multiple videos every single day until one goes viral. Now, the reason I said about the slime videos is because they are so viral right now that you can literally name them the same as the viral videos, but it's just your reaction. And that's the point of this, guys. The main point of this is you would name your videos the same as the viral ones. Do not just like name it like reaction to slime, because no one's going to search that and no one's going to click on it. You want to name it and make people think that it is genuinely a slime video. Now, it still is when they watch it. It's not misleading, but you're just giving your reaction in it as well. And that's how you can really start making a good amount of money from this. Now, if you guys are not familiar with how you make money on YouTube or anything like that, I really suggest you look in the link in the description, because it explains everything. But basically, Google AdSense pays you for 1,000 views. So every 1,000 views you get on YouTube, you get around $1 to $2. But when you think about it, you know, if you're getting 100 million views a month, that's like $200,000 a month. So it really does add up. And to start with, you may get like no views, but it will build up and you will make more and more and more money. And if you guys want to know how to get more views, more subscribers and stuff like that, I suggest going onto my channel, going up here and typing in Jamie Tech. You're obviously already on my channel now. Going onto my channel, and if you go down onto one of my videos, I made a 50-minute video, guys, showing you guys how you can get more views, more subscribers, more everything. It's on my channel. So if you go over to Jamie Tech right now and scroll down, you'll see it on my channel. It's a 15-minute video showing you guys exactly how you can grow your channel, get more views and all that good stuff. I will show you now, but my internet's been really slow. So let's just wait for this to load and go to videos just to show you where it is, so you can know which one you want to click on, just to show you guys how you can actually really start growing your YouTube channel. And the good thing about this, guys, is that you can do it anywhere. Like, you don't need to be in any position. Like, you could be at home, you could be in a hotel room, you could be anywhere, as long as you have a webcam. So the video you're going to want to watch, guys, is this one here. It's 15 minutes long. See this one here? And this will really show you guys how you can make more money on YouTube and really get more views and subscribers and stuff like that. And I also show you how I made $100,000 in 1 year from doing similar type of videos. And if you obviously as well, if you want to watch more videos, then go ahead and watch all of these, because they also show you the same thing. But honestly, guys, you know, you don't have to just react to slime. You can react to anything what's viral. Anything at all what's viral, whether that's pranks, whether that's entertainment videos, whether that's news topics, whether that's slime videos, whether that is ASMR, whatever it is, you can react. Obviously, filter it to Creative Commons. So for example, if I type in prank up here, if I type in prank and then I filter this to Creative Commons, you're going to get a lot of creators who put it on Creative Commons who don't actually own the content. So you've got to be very careful. So you've got to look for people who actually obviously own the content so you can reuse it. Because if you start using content what people have put as Creative Commons, but it's not even Creative Commons, then you might come into copyright issues and stuff like that. But you can typically tell which ones are real and which ones are fake just by having a look at their channel and seeing kind of what it's about. So for example, this one here, the thumbnail hasn't loaded, but if we click on the video, it's by a creator who's got a verification tick mark. Now that doesn't prove that they own the video, but you can kind of judge it by, you know, is it their face in the video, and is their channel all about the same face? Is it all to do with the same type of videos? And if it is, chances are they actually own the content. So for example, this person here is called Jen Smith. She's got this video on Creative Commons. To me so far, it looks very, very like legit, like she genuinely owns this content, or he, whichever, and she's put it on Creative Commons, okay? Now, this channel has 8.9 million subscribers. I very much doubt that this is not the original owner. I know this is the original owner anyway, because this is the boyfriend versus girlfriend channel that used to be very viral, but she's obviously changed it to her own name. So the fact that she's put this on Creative Commons means that you can legally now download this video. It says right here, you can reuse it, upload it to your channel and react to it, and you will not get any copyright issues at all, because she has listed it as the ability to reuse it. So yeah, guys, you can really kind of judge it by that and just kind of see which is their videos and which is not. Like I said, you know, the bigger the channel, typically the more legit it is. But that doesn't always mean, like, you know, if they have 1 million subscribers, it doesn't actually mean they own the content. But you've just got to be careful, look at the video, kind of judge it for yourself to see if you think that they own it. And if you do think they own it, then you're fine. And that's basically it, guys. You can start making some really big money doing this. And obviously you can take the original thumbnails and make it clickbait and all that good stuff. So if you did enjoy this video, guys, please go over to my channel and hit this red subscribe button here, because I post a video every single day showing you guys ways you can make money online. And if you haven't already, give this video a like. Let me know down in the comments below if you want to see more of these niche videos. And thank you very much for watching. All the best, guys. Have a good day, and thanks for watching.